Hello beauties and welcome to my channel Cyrus Creations. I'm sure you guys are enjoying this beautiful summer weather. Today I'm here with another DIY project. Today we are gonna decorate this beautiful beach bag, and for this project we need first the pattern. I had seen this picture on Pinterest and I print out, and today we're gonna use these flip-flops on our beach bag. So I already have cut those right foot and left foot. Then if you see my previous video, I had made a yarn flowers. I will put a link in the description box, and I have used seashells on that because it's a beach bag, but you can use any button or glass jumps on that, whatever you like. And then I'm using these two fabrics, so red and jeans, for my flip-flops. So let's see how we're gonna do that. So first thing we're gonna do, draw the pattern on a fabric.
So now we're gonna cut it. The same we're gonna draw on the other foot too. Remember, you have to keep difference in your left and right foot because these foot pieces are different from each other. That's it. That was our left foot. Now we're gonna clear our right foot.
We have prepared our right foot as well. I'm gonna cut the same way our flip-flop strips too, and then I will be back. Alright guys, as you can see, I have my two pieces cut already. Now I'm using the tacky glue for this, and later I have planned I'm gonna put these two pieces to my bag, maybe with the hand sewing or sewing machine, but it's up to you. You can use any glue for this project. So first we have to attach these together. right. So that's how I'm gonna attach that. Thank you for watching, and I'm sure you guys will like our today DIY project. We have decorative our beach bag today, and I love these flip-flops, and please comment below if you try this DIY project. I'm looking forward to making more DIY projects for you guys, and thank you for all your love and support. Don't forget to hit like button and share with your friends. Bye bye.
DIY project as we decorate our beach bag today, and I'm sure you guys will love this idea. Please, if you really like it, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Silas Creation.